Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing the trailer park level, chock the wheels, and disconnect from the tow. Once done, lift the trailer enough to take weight off the tandem axles and place heavy-duty jack stands under the frame. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Safety matters. Next, remove cotter pins and any retaining clips, then unbolt the equalizer from the spring hangers and axle mounts. You're not stripping threads, so use penetrating oil and the correct socket size to start the separation without damage. You now focus on fit and function. Compare the new equalizer to the old one. Check bolt spacing, length, and bushing diameters so alignment is exact. Once confirmed, press out worn bushings or install the new bushing kit provided with the part. Clean the hangers and axle mounting faces to remove rust and debris. Then position the new equalizer, insert bolts, and hand tighten to ensure correct alignment. After alignment, torque fasteners to the manufacturer's specs, so the system pivots freely but securely. You finish by securing all hardware, install new cotter pins or clips, tighten to spec, and lube pivot points with grease. Lower the trailer off the stand slowly and remove wheel chocks only when settled. Next, tow at low speed on a quiet road and test steering feel, straight line tracking, and listen for clunks. Those indicate loose bolts or misaligned bushings. If something feels off, pull over and recheck torque, bushing orientation, and hanger wear. Replacing a damaged hanger or retorquing bolts usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.